Hi guys, so in this video I wanted to show you how to do a builder gel overlay, and this will help you strengthen your natural nails and grow them out. So this is how my nails look at the start. So we're going to start with a little dry manicure. So first I'm pushing back the cuticles. Then I'm just using my file to shape them the way I want them and shorten them if you need to, but here I'm just shaping them. Then I'm using my flame bit to go around the cuticles and remove any of the dead skin. And then I'm doing that for all the nails. Then I'm using my ball bit to again remove any more of that dead skin. And now I'm going to nip away the cuticles using a cuticle nipper. Now I'm using that same ball bit and just buffing away the dried skin that's like on the sides of my nails, and also to exfoliate. Using my mini sand drill bit to buff away any of the shine that's on the nails, and I'm using a 180 grit sanding band. Now I'm just spraying the nails with some alcohol to remove any of the dust. I'm just going in with a dehydrator, and I just use acetone. Then I'm going in with my Super Bond from Valentino. And then I'm going in with my rubber base coat and then curing it for 60 seconds. Now I'm starting the builder gel application. So first you want to put a very thin slip layer onto your nail and do not cure this. You're going to take a big bead of the builder gel and apply it on your nail and start dragging it back and forth throughout the whole nail. Then here I'm just adding a little bit more of the builder gel as I didn't have enough. You're going to flip your hand around so that gravity helps put the builder gel in the correct place. All the strength of the builder gel to be in the center of the nail. And so flipping the hand around helps gravity help you with that. Then here I'm just dragging the product to the middle of the nail again. And then you can use a small liner brush to help fill any of the gaps near the cuticle so that you can get as close as possible to the skin. And then make sure to check your line of light, make sure it's straight. And then now I'm just going to do the same thing on all the nails. I like to cure in between each of the nails, just so that the builder gel doesn't keep moving. So here I'm adding my slip layer. And then going in with a big bead and dragging it down the nail back and forth. And then flip your hand around so that gravity can help you, but sometimes you can use the brush to drag the product from the tip to the middle, as I've done. And checking with the line of light that there's no bumps on the nail. And then again, just repeating the same process on all of the nails. This is how the builder gel application looks without any filing, and I love it so much. I love this color so much. And now I'm just gonna add some black polka dots on top of the builder gel. I love the base color so much, so I don't want to add another color on top of it. And then we're just gonna top coat the whole nail. Make sure to cap the edges. And cure for 60 seconds. And I I'm using my cuticle oil pens. This is how they look. And I'm just gonna put cuticle oil all over the skin around my nails. Then I'm just rubbing that all in. And this is how the nails turned out. Let me know what you think about these nails and let me know what tutorials you want next. Bye!